Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make copper not oxidize in Minecraft. Copper blocks are a fantastic building material, but they naturally change color over time, progressing through 4 distinct stages of oxidation. This process can alter the look of your creations, which might not always be what you want. Luckily, there's a very simple and effective way to prevent this natural weathering, allowing you to maintain the exact appearance you desire for your copper structures. Let's dive into how you can easily achieve this. The key to preventing oxidation is using honeycomb. First, you'll need to find a beehive or a bee nest in your Minecraft world and carefully collect some honeycomb. Once you have at least one piece, simply hold the honeycomb in your hand and right-click on any copper block you wish to protect. You'll notice a subtle change in the block's texture, indicating it has been successfully waxed. This simple action immediately halts the oxidation process at its current stage. What if you change your mind or want to revert a block? You can easily remove the wax from any waxed copper block by simply using an axe on it. Furthermore, an axe isn't just for unwaxing. It's also incredibly useful for deoxidizing copper. If you have an unwaxed copper block that has already started to oxidize, right-clicking it with an axe will scrape off one layer of oxidation, revealing the previous stage. You can repeat this up to 3 times to fully restore its original appearance. This easy method offers immense benefits for any Minecraft builder. You can now confidently use copper in your projects, knowing you can preserve its exact look, whether it's brand new, lightly weathered, or fully oxidized. This allows for incredible creative control and consistent aesthetics across even your largest and most intricate builds. With just a few pieces of honeycomb and an axe, you have complete mastery over your copper's appearance, making it a truly versatile material.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.